quick video real quick. It's simple. So we get power here. That goes into a multi-fuse. That powers up our start relay, also our ignition switch. Ignition switch, when it closes, feeds the start fuse, and that fuse ended up feeding a bunch of other stuff. Like right here, you get orange, and then we go. Let me double check. We go into the part neutral switch, and that comes out on this white, and that also on some of these it will become a brown, which is this connector here. Well, wire here. I am connected to negative. As you can see, Tesla lights up. Tells us that we have a continuity all the way to the component there. It will start if you jump it manually. Let me show you. But also, if you can see that right there, that terminal is pushed down, so that's a fault. But I also noticed if I check continuity from here to this wire right there, which is the green one on the left side, I do have continuity, but the computer is not able to control it. This indicates that our fault is within the PCM.